Not every reward app makes you play a game for hours before you earn points. Some apps credit rewards as soon as you complete specific tasks, which means your earnings depend on finishing offers instead of hitting a minimum playtime requirement. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 reward apps that don't rely on mandatory playtime and how each one lets you start earning. Starting at number 5 is iFreeCashin. FreeCash rewards users for completing offers, downloading apps, answering surveys, and trying games. Many gaming offers are based on reaching milestones instead of simply keeping the game open for a certain amount of time. Before starting any offer, read the requirements so you know exactly what needs to be completed. Number 4 is Swagbucks. Swagbucks has been around for years and offers multiple ways to earn, including surveys, cashback shopping, watching eligible content, and mobile game offers. Since rewards are tied to the individual offer, there isn't a universal minimum playtime requirement across the platform. At number 3 is Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars pays users for completing a variety of online activities, including surveys, promotional offers, and some game-based tasks. Instead of measuring how long you play, qualifying offers typically reward you after completing the required objective. The number 2 spot goes to MyPoints. MyPoints combines shopping rewards, surveys, travel deals, and promotional offers in one app. 1. Game-related promotions usually specify a goal, such as installing an app or reaching a milestone, rather than requiring continuous gameplay for a fixed amount of time. Taking the number 1 position is Mistplay. Mistplay rewards Android users for discovering and playing new mobile games. While many games award units as you progress naturally, there isn't a single minimum playtime rule that applies to every title. Each supported game has its own earning structure, so checking the game's reward details before you start is the best approach. Here's the biggest takeaway. No minimum playtime doesn't mean automatic rewards. Every platform still has requirements, but they're usually tied to completing offers, reaching game milestones, or finishing specific activities instead of simply staying in a game for a set number of minutes. Before downloading any reward app, read the terms for each offer, confirm your country is supported, and follow the listed requirements exactly. That gives you the best chance of receiving credit without unnecessary delays. If this comparison saved you time, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other videos covering reward apps that actually pay and the best earning apps available in 2026.